All right, Google Classroom tip number 6. This is a great one, and this is the fact that we can now add multiple teachers to one Google Classroom. So if you have a co-teacher or you have some other support teachers that might benefit from being able to access your classroom, we can add those to our classroom as well. So we're going to head up here to our People tab, which is just across from our Stream and Classwork tabs. And we are going to click on this. The easiest way to do this is we're just going to click on the invite teachers function just here. And then you are just going to pop in their email address, and then the invitation is going to be sent to them, and they will accept that, and then they will be able to access your particular classroom. All right. So it is really, really simple to add co-teachers, to add other teachers that may need access to your classroom so that they are able to collaborate and be part of your Google Classroom for your students. So that is another fantastic way that Google Classroom can not only benefit yourself, but also assist other teachers that may be working with you or students in your class.